Students, welcome to the class of Health and Physical Education, Unit 10, Training and Doping in Sports. And today's topic we are having, that is side effects of prohibited substance. We have already learned related to the prohibited substance in the last period, but we have also we are going to learn today the method, the physical method, and the side effects of this physical method we are going to learn, and then we are going to learn side effects and side effects of this prohibited substance with the help of the table. So let's start. So in the last class we have learned related to the prohibited substances, that is performance enhancing drugs and their effects, and we are going to learn today, that is prohibited method and the effects and the side effects of these prohibited substances. So following are the ways which are being banned for the player. Blood doping. So blood doping is a method to increase the count of the RBCs. When the RBCs count increases, the oxygen intake to the muscles will also increase, and the muscle is not going to fatigue very soon. It is not going to exhaust, and the a person or a player can perform better for a longer time period. So the endurance level or the stamina of a person increases. We also learned related to the autologous blood and homologous blood. Autologous blood doping means what they used to do, they used to take out the blood and they used to freeze, and before the competition they used to inject. And in homologous, they used to take from another athlete and they used to inject in themselves. So homologous, but same homologous means of the same blood group. It is only been possible. So autologous blood doping and homologous blood doping are the further two methods of two methods of blood doping through which the number of RBCs are increased. So here both the methods, either autologous or homologous, they both methods are being for increasing the number of RBCs, which ultimately enhances the oxygen carrying capacity of an individual. The artificial oxygen carriers are also second method of the blood doping. Artificial oxygen method we have learned. This is another method of blood doping in which some chemicals or protein increases the ability to carry more oxygen to the muscles. But this we have learned is the artificial way of increasing the oxygen level in the body. All these techniques are being prohibited. Then second we are having gene doping. In gene doping plays a significant role in the growth and the development of the musculoskeletal system. It is prohibited to all the times in sports. To tamper or to attempt to tamper the validity of the sample collected during the doping control is also prohibited. If the samples are being collected, that is also been prohibited at the time of in or out of the competition. Clear? So this is gene doping. Then which are the methods which are being used? There are the different method to dope, that is tablet, through injection, body patches which helps the prohibited substances to enter in the body slowly. Then either they use the cream or the gel which containing the testosterone on the skin and with the help of the spray. So these are the methods which are being used by the players to dope. Then what are the side effects of the prohibited substance? Now anabolic steroids are being used in medical field to increase the muscle and develop the strength. Anabolic steroid, main function of the anabolic steroid is to increase the muscle and develop the strength also. But the regular use of these can cause a critical health problem. Now those who used to dope, those who are taking such types of steroids or prohibited substances, they are having a lots of side effects, and that's why it is being prohibited as considered as prohibited substances. They increases the low density cholesterol, which increases harmful and decreases the high density cholesterol. They increases the low density cholesterol, which is harmful, and decreases the high density cholesterol. High density cholesterol increases, so there will be a chances of the heart blockage in future, and which is going to create heart strokes as well as heart attack also. Then long time use of these substances, anabolic steroids and the prohibited substances, can harm the liver and the kidney. There will be a liver and kidney failure also on the long time, that is in future. Then excess use of these substances can cause skin diseases like acne. There are the various skin diseases which are being which an athlete used to suffer due to excess taking of this prohibited substance. Then baldness appears in some people before age. Before age, that means that at the age of 30 years the person will not be having the hairs on the head. So baldness appears in some of the peoples before age. They increases the blood pressure level also increases of an individual, the testicle becomes small. That's why that may lead towards the infertility also among the males as well as the females. It may causes the tremor, heart attack, or even death. Due to this, it also causes the death. The muscularity develops in the female, and the hair start growing on the faces. The breast become develops in the breast development in males. Men becomes infertile. So that's why it has been here. We can take that the testicle becomes smaller and the man becomes infertile. So these are the effects of the anabolic steroids and the prohibited substances which are being taken. Now, with the help of the table, we are going to study one by one. See. So we are having number one. We are having the anabolic steroid. There are effects. There are normal side effect and there are serious side effect. So anabolic steroid, the person, this table is very useful to you, because through this table you can learn the effects and the side effects as well as the very serious effect, and you can also learn the types of prohibited substance. Anabolic steroids, what is the effects? Increases the hunger, increases in the muscle weight, increase in the bone marrow, and reduce fatigue. The person, those who are taking the anabolic steroid, they will be having a development of the muscle as well as the strength increases. Here the strength increases because here the hunger also increases, the muscle weight increases, increase in the bone marrow also increases, and reduce in the fatigue. The person is not going to exhaust very soon. So these are the effect. That is a positive effect for a particular player who has taken for them, but actually it is very harmful. These effects in future, they are very harmful. For the particular time period, it is going to give them the good result, but in future that they are going to suffer. Now, what are the normal side effects? These are the side effects of these anabolic steroid, like hair fall, unstable behavior, high blood pressure, aggressiveness, increase in the chest and the shortness of the testicle in males, stoppage of the breast development in the females, and the growth of the hairs on the face. So here the muscularity in the female increases, and here the infertility in the males and females also increases. The person becomes aggressive, he or she is going to have a high blood pressure, unstable behavior, they used to change the behavior, they will be moody, and there you can also find out the hair fall in such types of person, those who are taking anabolic steroid. What are the serious side effects? Serious side effects are damage in the liver and the kidney, heart attack, and the blockage, and the person may also suffer the death. Second, we are having, that is drugs. So drugs effect are, that is drug, what does the drugs used to do? That used to relax your mind. It also used to be useful in the pain. The person, those who are suffering from pain, it gives them the relaxation. It is going to the effect is the sleep also, and it also reduces the fatigue or exhaustion. The person is not going to exhaust very soon. They will be having free mind, they will be relaxed, because their mind used to relax by taking these types of drugs. Then normal side effects are dizziness and vomiting. The person may have, if they are taking such types of drugs, they will be suffering from dizziness, they will be suffering from vomiting, increasing the chance of injuries. Then coma, either they may go in coma, faint, or constipation they may suffer. And here what are the serious side effects? That is habitual and mentally dependent. They will be habitual of any of the things. You have seen that the person who used to take the drugs, they are very much habitual for that, and they will be mentally dependent on others also. Then we are having diuretics. Definitely the effects of the diuretic, that is for the weight loss. So here instant loss of the weight, less steroid in the urine, uneven heart rate, kidney fail, cramp in the leg, weakness in the muscles. These are the types of effects that the person is going to have by taking the diuretics. What are the normal side effects? That is like dry mouth, strain in the muscles, loss of the potash in the body, dizziness, tearing of the muscles are also being there. These are the normal side effects. Then serious side effect, change in the viscosity of the blood. The blood viscosity changes. Uneven heart rate, there will be uneven heart rate, loss of kidney, and the heart stroke will also be there. So that is being related to the blood, as the blood used to thick, and due to that there will be a heart rate is also been uneven, and here there will be loss of the kidney as well as the heart stroke. Then what is the next fourth? We are having prohibited substance, that is glucocorticosteroid. So glucocorticosteroid, that effects are like allergy, asthma, and swelling. They may suffer. These are the effects. These are the normal effects, like weakness in the muscle, weakness in the bones, cartilage, and joints. Then slow healing will be there in such types of person, those who are taking glucocorticosteroid. then increase in the increased pressure of heart, then blood clotting will also you may find out in such types of athlete or players. Then what are the serious side effects, like barriers in the growth of the children? The child is not going to have a complete growth if they are taking such types of steroid. Increase in the fat on the neck and the face area, you may find out. The next type of substance which are been, that is blood doping. So blood doping, what are the effects? Increase in the RBC and the hemoglobin, increase in the endurance. Definitely the person who are having RBC level, RBC red blood cells are more, so oxygen carriers are also been more in such types of person, and that definitely the person is going to have good stamina, or that will increase the endurance. Increase in carrying the oxygen, these are the effect. What are the normal side effects? That is increases pressure on the heart pressure increases. There will be also the chances of blood clotting. What are the serious side effect? That is danger of the heart attack, acids and hepatitis also. The person may suffer from these types of diseases. Then sixth, we are having stimulants. These stimulants we are having that effects are excitement in the central nervous system and mind. This is CNS, means central nervous system and mind. That is going to affect the mind. There will be excitement in the mind. So then afterward we are having what are the normal side effects? That is increase in the heart rate and the respiration. Heart rate increases and the respiration experiences uneasiness. The person may experience uneasiness, those who are taking the stimulant. He or she may suffer from the headache, fatigue also. Then what are the serious side effects? That is uneven heart rate, increase in the body temperature also increases, and loss in the weight. The person may lose the weight also. So these are the effects of the stimulants. Then we are having beta 2 agonist. So effects are safety from the high blood pressure, stop uneven heart rate. It stops the uneven heart rate, stops the tremor also in the hands, shaking of the hands, it stops the tremor. These are the effects of beta 2 agonist. Then we are having what are the normal side effects are fatigue. The person may suffer from sweating, they will be having cold hands, they are going to have the anxiety, headache, loss of endurance also. Clear? These are the normal side effects. What are the serious side effects? Uneasiness, constipation. The person may suffer from constipation, diarrhea, pressure, heart blood pressure also, as well as the heart failure will also be is been possible by taking such types of prohibited substance, beta 2 agonist. Clear? So this, with the help of this table, you can learn the effects, and you can learn the side effects, and there are the serious effects. So you can prepare the table. You can with the help of the table you can learn. So this is from my side today, this much. If you are having any doubt, you can ask, you can comment. Thank you everyone.